7544 Snowspeeder Force Burner, 349 pieces.
This incredible set includes 3 LEGO Star Wars minifigures, Sig Greebling, Darth Dev, and Solitus. It also includes 3 vehicles, a Snowspeeder, a speeder bike, and a STAP. Speeder bike. Ride Darth Dev on the hidden speeder bike. Open the double cabin. Place Sig Greebling and Darth Dev in the double cabin. Stickers that represent flames. The blazing decoration will leave you frozen. STAP. Look for Solitus in his STAP. Rear cannon. Activate the cannon that fires. 3 LEGO Star Wars minifigures, Sig Greebling, Darth Dev, and Solitus.
For this and more content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click bell. That helps us a lot.
The set 75414 Snowspeeder Force Burner will appear in the new series of LEGO Star Wars Rebuilding the Galaxy.
Hi! We're all back! A little while ago, I accidentally mashed up the galaxy we all know and love for good. Good guys became bad guys.
You insolent child.
Bad guys became good guys.
I find your abundance of faith encouraging.
It turns out I kind of like this new galaxy.
This could still be a good thing.
My name is Solitus. I've spent countless eons gathering power to unmake this galaxy once and for all.
Stop breathing so loudly, Vader. You'll blow our cover.
We have to defeat Solitus before the rift goes critical.
If Dev and I join together,
Wow.
maybe we can beat him.
We can't trust a Sith. Sith treachery is legendary. Legendary!
Can we just get to the fighting already?
My 2 favorite Jedi.
I'm here as well.
You ready to strap in?
1 second, I'm almost done checking.
We found a baby Yoda.
The baby's name is Grogu, baby.
All of us need to fight for the future. That's a giant Chewbacca!
You really want a piece of this?
This isn't how it was supposed to be! In the old stories, the good guys always find a way!
Congratulations, you're being destroyed.
Who's ready to go on a hyperspace joyride?
Who are you?
The name's Jackson. You probably haven't heard of me because I'm a real deep cut.
Number 75413, Juggernaut of the Republic, LEGO Star Wars 813 pieces, year, August 1st, 2025. 75432, V19 Torrent Starfighter, 567 pieces. 75431, Combat Pack Clone Soldiers of the 327th Star Corps, 258 pieces. 74 K2SO Security Droid, 845 pieces. 75435 MTT Separatist Battle of Felucia, 976 pieces. 7544 Snowspeeder Force Burner, 349 pieces. 7547 AT-ST Walker, 1513 pieces. 75433 Jango Fett Starship, 707 pieces. 75430 Wicket the Ewok, 1010 pieces.
Thank you for reaching the end of the video. Don't forget to comment and let me know what other Star Wars LEGO models you would like to see.
For this and more content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click bell.